Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V6 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, which is great. Just keep this mode turned on. Now we need to open more options, and you've got two different ways to do that. So you can either tap on this icon in the right upper corner, thanks to which you will open more options, or you can simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, just like that, to open the same options that you will open with this icon. Now we need to go, or actually swipe, to find the timer, which is here. So just tap on it, and in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay, so just tap on the option you'd like to use. As you can see, the icon of the timer changed slightly, and now it is indicating that we've got the timer set. So we can go back to our camera, and unfortunately we do not really have any kind of information, for example here, that we've got the timer set, which is not the most convenient, at least in my personal opinion, because if you've got the timer here, then you can quickly check whether you've got it actually set, and you're not surprised after tapping on the shutter button. So it should be somewhere here, or maybe inside the shutter button, I don't know. For me it's just a little drawback, let's say. But that's okay, just leave it, and to actually use the timer we need to tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, I believe 5 or 2, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. So this is how it works. As you can see here, we had the second, let's say the second timer. It is not the timer per se, but it is the countdown that is applied because of the night light, or night mode actually, and it was applied automatically by your device because of the light conditions around you, or actually around my device, because the camera is facing down. So you can quickly turn it off just by tapping on this moon icon. So now the auto night is off, and finally we will have the regular camera timer without any kind of additional one, which is forced by the mode. As you can see, it will be taken right away. And if you wish to turn off the timer, you need to open the options again, go to the timer, tap on the timer and tap on off, and from now on our device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.